Time once again for The Law and You. Back in our legal chairs today, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, it's a pleasure to see you.
We were excited to get here today.
I bet you were. I know you run in here, you get your microphones on, you're ready to go. Well, maybe not so much. All right, let's get to the question, and we'll get you to work here while you're here. Jack in Dallas wants to know, my wife and I are getting a divorce. We have agreed on splitting everything. Do we need separate lawyers, or can we just have one draw up the agreements? What can Jack in Dallas do here?
Well, Jack, you know, obviously it's a tough situation that you're in. It's great that you and your wife have come to an understanding and a mutual understanding regarding, you know, the breakup of your marriage. The question is, whether do you need separate lawyers? I mean, we would always advise everybody to be represented by their own lawyer in it. Let Greg talk a little bit more about kind of the specifics of it, but even though you're not fighting over anything, it's probably best that you both have your own lawyer on this.
And the reason you want to do that is because technically, despite the fact that you guys are agreeing, you guys have an adverse interest to each other. And the other thing is, like, the lawyer in the middle should be careful too, because, you know, there's a potential conflict of interest there. So, I mean, it's better if everybody has their own representation, because what happens is you're gonna get into an agreement, you're gonna sign the agreement, it's gonna be entered in the court of record, and, you know, it's gonna be binding on everybody. So it's always good to have it reviewed by, you know, independent counsel.
Yeah.
I mean,
Your own counsel,
because
yeah.
you know, everybody's interests are, unfortunately, they're adverse when you're in a divorce.
All right, so for our viewers that may need your legal help, what's the best way to get in contact with you?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have any questions regarding divorce or custody, we don't do that type of work, but we can certainly get you. There's a lot of guys out there, guys and ladies out there, that do great work in that area, and we'll be able to get you to them.
Tell you, the awards are now spilling out onto Pierce Street in Kingston from these guys in their office. So, you know, results matter with Fellerman and Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much. We'll see you next time.
We'll see you tomorrow.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best ways to get a question featured right here on The Law and You.